Whenever you're making coleslaw and you take the piece of cabbage and you're grinding it up and shredding it, these leaves will be on the outside and these will be a lot harder to shred. And you want to leave these, and then what we do is we cook them and then put them in chicken, salad, stuff like that, and they're really good. But it'll take like a heart like this, shred it up, and then we'll put it in here. And then you have some coleslaw sauce. We're using Marie's original coleslaw dressing. This stuff is really good. So it's not like an exact recipe to get the perfect amount of coleslaw dressing. We just have one bottle in here and we'll see how it tastes with one bottle, and maybe we'll add two. Now we'll go ahead and mix it up. And we also have a little bit of carrot in here to add a little bit of color. So that's how we make this wonderful coleslaw. It sure is great for a large group of people. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.